Sitting in the skid steer, not a fun time. Something blew out underneath my feet, or Mike's feet, and we are trying to lift up the arms with the tractor. Can't get it to go high enough for the safety to fall in. We just need a few more inches. My heart has stopped a few times. This is some sketchy shit right here. And the sketch continues. Like I said, we only have the rest of this piston right here to go till this red safety drops down on the cylinder to hold it up in the air. And it's windy as all get up here. Oh God. I can't stand this stuff. Will it work? We'll have to stay tuned. Or do we get killed? Or do I get killed? It's not even funny, but it's very real. Don't try this at home, folks. Take 4. We're going. It's moved about 1/2 inch. Nikes. Sketchy. Sketchy. Let's see. Seriously? We don't have enough? Shit. I told you go soft. I want the hell out of this machine. So
This 20-ton jack and cribbing and jack it up until I got that safety right there. Unfortunately, the jack fell down in and whacked her in the knee. That thing weighs like 25, 30 pounds. So she's limping pretty good. Tomorrow, I'll get the cab lifted up and either cry or cheer that it's just a hose.